everyone desires to get long, thick and strong eyelashes. So for everyone who desires to have long, thick and soft eyelashes should try the organic castor oil to achieve the desired results. Organic castor oil is a pure, pale yellow in color vegetable oil that has marvelous properties not only for eyelashes but other body parts too. The oil is way better than the other eye cosmetic products that are meant for enhancing the eyelashes. The oil is obtained from castor oil plant seeds. The oil is pure, organic, vegetable oil that is obtained by pressing the seeds of the castor oil plant. The oil is safe for people of every age and is not harmful until it is not used in excess. Organic castor oil ingredients include 1. The fatty acids present in the oil keep the skin hydrated and well-nourished. 2. Vitamin E. This is responsible for inhibiting the further formation of wrinkles and fine lines and also reduces the signs of aging. 3. Amino acids. They are there to keep the skin moisturized. Castor oil ingredients work to improve growth by increasing the blood circulation and keep the skin hydrated and moisturized. It can also heal the cuts and wounds. Castor oil is an ingredient in many products, either cosmetics or pharmaceutical. This oil is the ingredient of many natural skin care routine products which are very beneficial for skin and hair. Inexpensive. People nowadays spend a lot of money on expensive products to get the desired results which are not that much use and are for short interval of time. Some products are also available in the market that claims to enhance your eyelashes, but it is a temporary effect and is for a very short interval of time. Mascaras and eyelash curlers are available in the market that provides you the desired effects for instance, but in reality, they can cause your eyelashes to shed off. Organic castor oil is the best natural way to improve the growth of eyelashes. So if you want your eyelashes to look long and thick, you must choose organic castor oil. It is inexpensive as compared to other products like mascaras and serums. People who reach to some specific age suffer mostly the problem of breakage of eyelashes and ultimately cause the loss of eyelashes. During that age, our eyelashes themselves grow and then break up or shed off. The main reason behind this is that the eye tissues are not getting proper nutrition, due to which the skin tissues which are present around the eyes are getting weak day by day. The eyelash follicles are not getting proper nutrition and cause eyelash to fall on slight touch. Castor oil works by hydrating the eyelash base cells and providing the required nutrition to the eyelash follicles. It promotes the growth of eyelashes and also prevents the falling of eyelashes. It provides strength to the eyelashes and allows them to grow in a healthy environment. Essential oil application is your best, safe and effective approach towards achieving amazing benefits. Organic castor oil is the easy way to extract all the benefit mentioned in the shortest amount of time. Now let's look at the application process. 1. Wash your face properly with a face wash and remove the makeup properly. 2. Use an eyeliner brush to apply organic castor oil. 3. Dip the brush in the castor oil bottle and apply it carefully on your eyelashes. 4. Make sure the oil should not be in excess of the brush. 5. Apply this oil carefully and leave it on overnight. 6. It is useful to apply this oil at night because it will get more time to stay on your eyelashes and will provide you with more satisfactory results. 7. Remove this oil in the next morning with the help of any makeup remover.